Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add time limit to Games app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, in here, go down and tap on App Limits. Then tap on Add Limit, and in here select Games. This will allow you to select all the games. So if you tap on the Games radio box, this will select all the games within the Games category. Otherwise, you can expand out the Games menu, and this will allow you to go through the list and select individual games which you can set a time limit. So I'm going to set for the whole Games category, and then tap on Next. In here, you'll be able to set a time limit. So let's say if you want to allow 2 hours each day, you can choose 2 hours. So 2 hours every day, and then tap on Add. Alternatively, you can customize days. So tap on Customize Days, and you can customize for each of the days selected. You can customize individual time. So in here, I can set Friday to 3 hours. And Saturday I can set to 4 hours, and then tap on the back key and then tap on Add. So we can set a custom time for each of the different days. And that's it. That is how you can set a time limit for the Games app on the iPhone 15 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.